The American Red Cross Deluxe Personal First Aid Kit comes with 66 first aid supplies for common injuries. You get 2 chewable aspirins, 2 triple antibiotic ointment packs, 4 antiseptic cleaning wipes, 1 hydrocortisone cream pack, 2 hand sanitizer packs, 20 adhesive bandages 3/4 by 3 inch, 10 adhesive bandages 1 inch by 3 inch, 5 junior adhesive bandages 3/8 by 1.5 inches, 1 knuckle bandage, 1 fingertip bandage, 2 elbow and knee bandages 2 inches by 4 inches, 3 1.5-inch patch bandages, 4 gauze dressing pads 3 inches by 3 inches, 1 trauma pad 5 inches by 9 inches, a gauze roll bandage 3 inches by 3 yards, first aid tape 1 inch by 5 yards, a pair of scissors, a pair of tweezers, 2 vinyl gloves, and an emergency first aid guidebook. The storage container is roughly 4 inches by 8 inches by 3 inches. This is great for home, travel, and college dorms.